Hello everyone, welcome back to another BritSent video. This one is aimed at any students who rely on their phone or computer on a regular basis. So I guess that's everyone, right? Whether you need to spell out a username, talk about grammar, or create a new password, here are the 6 terms you need to describe special characters. A special character is a symbol which is neither a number nor a letter, the most well-known being the hashtag. To read out this Instagram caption or a popular tweet, we would say, "Happy Friday, hashtag wine time, hashtag TGIF. However, when used in isolation, we call it the hash key or simply hash. For example, press hash and then enter the 4-digit code. Let's talk about money. British keyboards have symbols for the pound sign, the dollar sign, and the euro symbol. We only use these long terms if the symbols are used in isolation. For example, he put $5 signs to show how expensive the restaurant was. If not, we just read the amount as normal and put the currency at the end. So rather than saying pound sign 24, we just say 24 pounds, $24, or 24 euros. Need to give out your email address? You'll be needing the @ sign. Again, unless this symbol is in isolation, we normally just pronounce it as @. So we'd say, my email address is hello@britsent.com. We can also use it in informal messaging rather than saying @ as a word. For example, see you at home or let's meet at 2. Okay, now let's look at the mathematical symbols we often incorporate into messages. This is called the equal sign in isolation or equals when part of a sentence. For example, my mum messaged me saying, "Your cooking equals food poisoning," with a throwing up emoji. We also have the plus sign, or when read as part of a sentence, plus or and depending on the context. But in the majority of cases, both meanings could be appropriate. For example, only 3 of us are going out tonight. You, me, plus Jack. However, we could also use the and symbol, more professionally known as the ampersand. Don't worry though, nobody calls it that. This can be tricky to draw though, so when jotting down a quick note, the ampersand or the plus sign are widely used. For example, only 3 of us are going out tonight. You, me, and Jack. Coming in at number 5, we have the / or slash. It can be used to mean or in informal writing or in URLs. So you could write, shall we go for coffee/wine tomorrow? Note that we use slash when it is part of a sentence. We use / when reading out a URL or when it is in isolation. In other cases, it is used to write dates and fractions. When reading a date written like this, 22/02/2022, we are more likely to omit it. 22/02/2022, or read the date naturally, the 22nd of February 2022. We also read a fraction using full words rather than saying /. So this 1/3 is 1/3, and this 7/8 is 7/8. Our final special character is underscore. It is often used to show space when space is not allowed, often in a username, file name, or website. For example, my username is britsent_English. Its use is very different to the hyphen, which looks like this. You can check out our video on punctuation marks to learn when that should be used. Do you have an old embarrassing email address or username? Comment below because we love hearing from you. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.